Hello, I'm Dan Gleason, principal of Huntington High School, where we're dedicated to the success of every student. Here at Huntington High, we try to tap into the individual students' interests so they can pursue those with the guidance of our staff and faculty. They go the extra mile to help each student discover their unique skills and gifts and find their path to success.
We're all going to be tax-paying people, parents, friends, and to care about the world in fundamental ways, I think should be our mission. And to me, I think the work we do in the classroom can go to that.
At the end of a student's freshman year, they select one of 3 academies to go into, and that would be our STEM Academy, our Business and Fine Arts, and our Human Services Academy.
A lot of the individuals that are teaching the academies have actually worked in the real world doing those types of things. So it's not just that they're a teacher and teaching about it, they're coming in with real world experiences. I think our programs here are tremendous. We have wonderful teachers and staff here.
When I was in high school, you basically had your core classes, English, math, science, social studies. Here at Huntington High School, you can come to school and you can get into engineering programs, you can get into health science programs, you can get into programs to help you if you want to be a doctor or a nurse. We are extremely lucky with all the AP classes and advanced classes that are offered here. Kids can get 12 credit hours done before they even get out of high school.
The well-educated person is someone who cares about their community, who cares about themselves and others and their place in that piece. And I think it prepares them to be a valuable citizen.
Some of our kids need to feel like they belong to programs and belong to something. They know that they have a home, they have someone that will help them out, and they know people are going to look out for them to help them to the next level of their career.
I think one of the strengths about Huntington High School is its diversity. We have students from all sorts of different backgrounds and from different countries. I think it gives students an opportunity to be exposed to a little smaller sample of what the world looks like. I think it's one of the things that unites us here is that we all, no matter what our backgrounds are, we all sort of pull together as a community to try to help our students be successful.
I care about place and I care about where I am, but there are good kids doing good things. I would just want people to know that good things are happening in this place. And I see it every day. And maybe I'm just lucky or blessed or I don't know, but I get to witness it.